Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. I'm well dressed and bathed, clean up myself, and come to you guys while I'm fresh. As you can see, like the hair, the braid is out of my hair. Yeah, and I washed my hair, although that I didn't want to show you that process. And then I plait my hair, so I'm wearing this now. I'm going to wear my wig, but now it needs to be dried up. It's worse, guys. I'm not even going anywhere, but look at the way even I'm just wearing the lashes as if there's somewhere that I'm going to. The thing is, for a very long time I have not been applying them lashes. So today the girl, she just want to feel herself. Guys, do you still remember this week that I made by myself, and the hair is from AliExpress? Okay guys, my hair is done. Now it's on my head. As you can see, now I'm going to rest because there's nothing much that I need to do. It was just for me feeling fresh after taking the braids out. So I just feel like my head miss my head just missed this hair. Yeah, at this point this is the only wig that I have. I have give away all my wigs. So I've got this one and the one for braids, which is the twist. And like, I just want to have like two more. I don't know if I need longer length or the same size, because otherwise this length is like 14-inch and 12-inch. How many 14s? 1 14 and 2 12, and then the closure, it's like a 10-inch. Yeah, I made this wig last year, I think in the beginning of the year, I guess. I made it by myself. Guys, I really do love these lashes. They're so dramatic. And you know, guys, for me, I don't normally wear lashes all the time. It's worse today. I'm not even going anywhere, but I'm wearing lashes. Anytime, like if I'm coming here, I always look crusty. So I really don't like that, especially when I'm doing the vlogs. Now I just feel like even if I'm not doing anything or I'm not going anywhere, but the girl needs to look fresh. The girl needs to feel fresh, you know. The thing is, it's very difficult even to dress up when you know that with this lockdown there's no place that we can go to. So guys, you know, the struggle is real, to be honest. The struggle, it is real, because sometimes when I'm at home I don't feel like dressing up because I'm not motivated, guys, you know, because I'm always at home. Do you feel me? I don't know if there's anybody that will feel the way that I am feeling. Please, if you do, share with us, because I mean, am I the only person that will feel that, like, during this lockdown it's very difficult to dress up? Because I mean, most of the days I'm at home, I don't go anywhere. It's only maybe if I'm going out doing some grocery shopping, and the life is just so boring. But anyway, we have to do what we have to do. I don't like to complain. I'm not the person that will like to whine too much, and anytime that I'm complaining, I feel like a loser. Complaining is not my thing, guys, because the thing is we cannot complain about things that we cannot control. So you rather complain about something that you know that you can control or you can change. Do you feel me? Okay, so at this point with this during lockdown, so I don't want to be here and be complaining or that. This vlog actually is supposed to be a daily vlog, and it didn't mean it to be like a weekly vlog. Okay, so as I really do want to vlog for you guys, but it's very difficult, it's tough. I mean, if there's nothing that I'm not doing or I'm not busy, as like today there was nothing much to do, but I think I have to just go to wash the dishes because that's the only thing that I can do at this period. Okay guys, let's go and wash them dishes. Okay, because I mean, like, I don't want this vlog to be boring because, guys, as I said, like, when I'm at home there's nothing much that I'm doing. Okay, where should I keep you guys? Oh, it's water. Ooh! Ooh! The water is so cold on my teeth, guys. Ah.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so high, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe.
Okay guys, I'm done now with the dishes, so I just feel like doing my nails. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do now. Let me just take my nail polish. Let me just go into the room. Okay, I'm going to use this white and the clear one just on my fingertips because I've got on my feet already. So
are only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
So now I'm going to wait for this coat to dry up. Once it's dried, and then we're going to apply the last coat, yeah, so that the nail polish can last a little bit longer. Yeah, but the thing is with me, like, I touch too much water, so I don't think this would even last me like about 2 weeks, at least 1 week. I'm sure it will last me for a week. This nail polish is from Cotton On. There were 3 for, and they were on special 3 for $150. You see, I make a mess there.
You wanna know who's beginning of love? You look so hard, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't ever regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
Done. Now we're going to wait for this to dry up. Yes, baby girl. Self-care, darling, self-care. We need to learn those things, okay? Because like now with this period that salons, they were closed, so it was very tough even to go to do your nails and to do your lashes, to get me. But if you keep learning to do those things by yourself, I mean, you won't find any struggle. Now I've got like an easy technique to apply my lashes, so that makes things more easy, although that I don't like to wear lashes all the time. Anyway, it depends with my mood, okay? If my mood and my energy, it's up here, so the girl, as you can see, like, I'm preparing myself today. Like, I just want to feel fresh, like, to feel renewed. Do you understand? You know, it's boring to sit at home, like, don't feel like dressing up. At some point you will even lose that touch. So I mean, we content creators, we need to keep up with this type of things, okay? Even if like you don't feel like doing anything, but I mean, this is the job, okay? By the way, guys, my nails are done, are dried up, and then I went to fetch one lollipop in the cabinet. Guys, I've got like bayaba lollipop. Yeah, I don't know why I'm so into with lollipops now, and I'm the person that will always avoid a sugar, but I don't know. Now I'm just, maybe because I'm always at home, just to avoid to eat, because you know when you're at home all the time you eat a lot, and I'm just trying to avoid that because I don't want to pick up weight, because I can see like I'm adding up. So instead of me eating all the time, so I prefer to have these lollipops at home. By the way, guys, yeah, the vlog is going to end here. And remember, because I told you I don't want this vlog to be very long, and it's just a daily vlog, I'm completing the footage from yesterday. Yeah, so guys, if you want to see more vlogs, just let me know, okay? Because I will enjoy also doing the vlogs, especially if I have nothing new, like maybe new products for makeup, because not all the time people wants to watch makeup, because I know, man, everybody's doing makeup, so I know some people are tired of seeing makeups too much. So like I want to go into more vlogs right now, but since with this during lockdown, as I said, like my life is just so boring right now because I'm always at home, but I will try to make sure like I'm vlogging. So guys, if you really do like and enjoy me vlogging, just let your story on the comment section, okay? I'm ending the vlog here, okay? Until we meet, guys, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe and share with your mother, with your father, with your sister, with your brother, with your auntie, with your uncle, with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend, with your alles, I mean todo, everybody. Share, 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 share. Okay. Okay, guys, I will see you on